We're working on a 2001, what is this, Chevrolet Silverado, and you can see the, what can you see? You can see the turn signal indicators are glowing up there, multiple lights on. Of course, you'd expect quite a few of them to be on. The headlights do not work. The power windows do not work. Power door locks do not work. And if we come out here, I've got my test light connected to ground. Got my test light connected to ground. We're good there. We don't have a ground there, which is kind of normal. We don't have a ground there. We don't have a ground there. We're not grounded there, which makes the whole cab non-grounded. The main battery ground right here goes down and goes to the front of the frame near the radiator support, and no power, no light there, so it is grounded. I've already taken it off and cleaned it, but I had to do some looking around. But you see that one bolt right there? That's a Phillips headed screw, which is kind of unusual. And I believe this right here is in the wrong location. I don't know if you can see that or not, but I got the lights on. You can see it sparking around. And you hear the blower motor coming on and everything, because in doing that, we're actually providing a ground to the cab. So what we have to do now is move this. It's supposed to be on the back of this head back here, and I got to move it over there. Took me a little while of digging, but a friend of mine said he had one. This is the short factory bolt that's supposed to be used on the back of the head, and I'm going to see if we can get this in the eye and then get it around there and secure it on the rear of the head. Well, the headlights now work, and we no longer show power when we touch the ground wire for the cab, so all that is good to go. And we should also find the blower works. Most of the lights go off. They don't all go off, but the customers changed the what they do, they changed the BCM, so I'm going to take and swap it around and see if it goes back to working right. Door locks work, windows work, so we should be good to go. Sparky out.